Since ancient times, comets are often associated with omens, as comets have inspired dread, fear, and awe in many different cultures and societies. They have been branded with titles. Titles such as the Harbinger of Doom or the Menace of the Universe. Comets are either regarded as omens of disaster or messengers of God. Later, after countless of studies, comets are now viewed as beautiful but harmless objects. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to identify the composition of a comet, relate the composition of the comet to its behavior, and create a science vlog on the experiment. Comets are frozen leftovers from the formation of the solar system, and it is composed of ice, rock, and dust. Thus, it is called as dirty snowball or icy mudball. A comet structure includes the rock-ice nucleus, its atmosphere, the coma, and the tails that stream out behind the comet as it approaches the Sun. As a comet approaches the Sun, its rock-ice nucleus begins to sublimate, meaning that there is a phase change happening from solid to gas. Now the gas escaping from the nucleus carries dust with it, creating the coma. As the solar wind streams around the coma, it carries cometary particles and also dust with it, leading to the formation of the comet's tails. Comets are mostly found in the Kuiper belt and Oort cloud, and they have long elliptical orbits. Because of this, a bright naked eye comet appears only once every 10 years or so. Thus, their sudden appearances have made them objects of wonder and fear throughout the human history. A famous example of a comet is the Halley's Comet. It is also called as a periodic comet since it returns to Earth's vicinity about every 75 years, making it possible for a human to see it twice in his or her lifetime. Halley's Comet is named after English astronomer Edmund Halley, who examined reports of a comet approaching Earth in 1531 and 1607 and 1682. He concluded that these three comets were actually the same comet returning over and over again, and predicted the comet would come again in 1758. Unfortunately, he didn't live to see the comet's return. The last time it was here was in 1986, and it is projected to return in 2061.
Alright, now that we are done about the lecture of comets, here are the two activities for this lesson. Actually, you only need to submit one, and that is your science vlog. So the first activity is you need to create a comet model based on the instructions provided by the teacher. And second is to make a science or produce a science vlog about the first activity, which is the comet model. Answer the guide questions and post your vlog on your YouTube channel. Of course, when creating a science vlog, you have to answer these guide questions. Describe the surface features of your comet model. Why does your comet model hiss and pop? That's part of your observation that you need to focus on. Why do you think the comet has a glowing tail? And the fourth, how does a comet's composition affect its behavior as it approaches and draws away from the sun? After producing or creating your science vlog, be sure to post it in your YouTube channel. Now that we are done with these activities, if you are interested more about comets, if you wanted to learn more about comets, here are the links that you can visit. If you want to learn more about comets on cultures, the superstitious beliefs in comets, the first link is the one for you. The rest of the links are all about facts, the structures and compositions of comets. Now that we're done, see you in the next lesson.